Flow chart of chapter 5 for class 8. Children, natural resources, these are of two types, exhaustible and inexhaustible. Exhaustible, they are also called non-renewable, and these are limited in nature. Inexhaustible, they are called renewable also, and they are unlimited in nature, for example sunlight, air and water. Now exhaustible resources, so these are forest, wildlife, minerals, fossil fuels, and these resources have effect. Excessive use leads to pollution, global warming, etc. Their use should be restricted. This is only for fossil fuel. Fossil fuels, they have effect कि their excessive use leads to pollution, global warming, etc. and their use should be restricted. Now fossil fuels, these are of two types, coal and petroleum. These are mainly of two types, three types, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coal, this is of following types, peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite. These are the types of the coal. And coal, this is formed from remains of vegetation got buried inside the earth by the process carbonization. Coal is formed by the carbonization process from the remains of vegetation which got buried inside the earth. Now coal is used as a fuel and in industry. In industry, it is obtained by destructive distillation. The products of destructive distillations are coke, coal tar, coal gas. Now coke, this is used in the manufacturing of steel and in metal extraction. Coal tar used in manufacturing of dyes, drugs, paints, perfumes, explosive. Okay. Now coal gas, earlier in the ancient time it is used as domestic fuel and for lighting, but nowadays it is replaced by electricity. The one more product of destructive distillation is ammonical liquor, and this is used for making nitrogenous fertilizer. So this is about coal. Now come to petroleum. Petroleum, this is formed from the organism and plant matter which got buried under the earth, and this is obtained by drilling oil wells, and by refinery is done by fractional distillation or petroleum refining in a refinery. And the products of petroleum, so these are also very important. These are LPG. LPG is used as a fuel. Petrol, this is used as a motor fuel or vehicle fuel. Diesel, this is also used as a fuel for the heavy motors like trucks. And kerosene, this is used as a stove fuel, lamp fuel and lubricating oil. Paraffin wax, candle, this is used for making candle, Vaseline, and bitumen, this is used for making paints. So this is about petroleum. Now come to natural gas. Natural gas is also called CNG, compressed natural gas. It is obtained by drilling oil wells and it is supplied through pipelines, and it is used in motor fuel, power generation, domestic fuel, in the manufacturing of chemicals and fertilizers. Now conservation. The conservation of the natural resources. Be energy efficient and use renewable sources of energy like hydro energy, wind energy, solar energy and biogas. So in this way we can do the conservation of natural resources. So from the flow chart you can get the reflection of the full chapter by read it 2 or 3 times so that you can understand the full chapter very easily. Draw it in your notebook also.